There you go.
There you go.
Aloha.
Aloha.
Aloha. What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here along with Jessie girl. We have the sleeping giant in the background. Our iconic, beautiful sleeping giant right over there. So we got some coffee, we got some food, we got people blocking our way over here. And then, yeah, that's about it. We're gonna go over to Lihue to handle some business, and then we're actually gonna drink another coffie over there from Kauai or or something like that, right? What is it? Kauai. All right. All right. So this is what Jess bought in there. Some quick power breakfast. And some coffee, guys.
Okay.
All right, let's go, guys.
Lift the lockdown. I thought they did already today. Today's Friday, right? Still?
The 14-day travel quarantine is still going on.
Still? Yeah? 14? COVID.
Alright, guys, so we're over here on Rice Street. Oh, there's the British guy.
Where?
With his bullhorn.
Where?
Left the lockdown.
Where's the British guy?
Right there.
It's dangerous from a health perspective because it encourages the recycling rather than the exposure.
Hey! Yay! Protest!
Hey.
Protesting is good.
You have the rights.
Oh, yeah, protest! Oh my God! Stretch the back. Stretch the back. Oh yeah, guys, there's some nice signs on here.
What is that?
Let me see what kind of signs we got here. We got small traffic action already here on Kauai.
It's back.
It's back, guys. It's back. What do you think, Jess? Yeah. Check out how beautiful today is again, guys. Compared to the past 2 days. It was kind of yeah, rainy the past few days. But check it. Cleared up. Very nice. All right. Show you guys Kapaa town once again. Let's see how lively it is. Oh wow! Right here, Pono Market. Found some good Hawaiian food. Check it out right there. That's the place to go, right, Jess? Yeah. Yeah, not too bad. Look at that. Gotta go visit Auntie later.
I'm just not there yet.
I know, in the afternoon. I want to make my truck just like this kind of. Yeah, see? Nice. Wow, guys. Hope you guys are having a great day in your neck of the woods, guys. It is graduation. Is it graduation day, Jeff?
Yes, today.
It is graduation day, guys. Check out all the banners of the graduates right over here. Wow. Congratulations to the class of 2020. It looks like. Wow. Wow. Very nice. very nice. All right. Where are you going? What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here. We're back home. I'll just leave my ear out. But check this out, guys. I wanted to show you guys what we got from Costco. Booyah! Right there, guys. Woo! I don't know if some of you already know I have a bad back, so this is gonna help us out big time, guys. Check this out. It was like $70-something, but check it out, guys. Look at that, 300 pounds. That's a lot. You can put in this little wagon thing. This is pretty cool, guys. I like it because the wheels, check that out. The wheels are huge, so you know, I'm gonna load this up, put in the truckie, and we're good to go. Yeah, it's really nice. Today, you know, guys, I don't know if I'm gonna just get another a replacement tonneau cover, or get one of those what do you call that? It's like the jungle. I forget what they call it, but it's like a camper. Like a camper. Instead of a solid camper shell, it's one of those topper shells. Oh, hello there, Mr. Romeo. Hi. You want to let the doggy go? Yeah, let's let the doggies go. Hello there, Draco. Hold on. There they go, guys. There they go. What is that, Romeo?
Slime, my red slime.
Your red slime?
Yeah, I messed around with something.
Oh, okay. What did you make? Are you making something?
I need you with paint.
Oh, there goes Jack.
I take red tin, then I put it in here, I mess around, then I let it cool down, then it be this. Red, I like it.
Nice. Oh, hi. Nice outfit you got there, Liza. Look what we got.
Ah, Daddy, can I play with you?
Yeah, you guys can play here because you guys are going to help Mom assemble that. I have to use the restroom. I'll be right back, you guys. What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here. So we're over here at our favorite swimming spot once again. Look at the birds. That's our little area right there. And I wanted to show you, I don't know if I already did with the GoPro, but I'll show you again anyway with my main camera over here, the Panasonic I think it's G3, I forget already, Lumix G3. But yeah, check out cardinal birds right there, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful day. It was a little drizzly earlier, a little overcast, but most of the day was just like this, blue skies. So we're just hanging out at Ethan boy. You probably already seen Jess on the kayak and myself also. Well, here we go, guys. Here's our little kayak, a one-person Sundolphin Kayak. Yeah, it's really nice. Really nice. The paddle didn't come with it, but you got a little compartment area where you can keep your things if you want to stay dry. And check this out. You can put fishing poles right here. We got 2 fishing pole slots, and I believe you can put another one right over here. I think. I'm not sure about that. And a little I don't know what that is. Little compartment here also. Pretty cool. So you don't lose things. Oh, look at that little string right there. Really nice. And I had the speaker, my Bluetooth speaker here earlier, and my cell phone over there. And these things are adjustable for your feet. Really, really nice. I think we got it. I think it was like almost $200 or barely $200. Really nice. Came with this also, the backrest. Look at that. Pretty nice. I like it. Yeah. What's going on?